Why you shouldn't hold in a sneeze. Holding in a sneeze can create immense pressure in your nasal passages and eardrums. This pressure can cause small blood vessels to rupture, leading to nosebleeds or even damage your hearing by rupturing your eardrum. The air you're suppressing can be forced back into your sinuses or even your chest, potentially causing injuries like a collapsed lung. Sneezing is your body's way of expelling irritants from your nasal cavity. Suppressing it traps these particles, increasing the risk of infections and complications. Let your body perform its natural defense mechanism and sneeze freely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.